Hi, I'm Miss Walker, and I'm going to be explaining Week 1 Monday's worksheet for the at-home learning packet from Westlawn. This is 3rd grade for all my 3rd grade babies. So right here, we are going to be talking about place value. Right here, we've got a thousands block. We've got 100s, a flat. We've got 10, which is a long. And we've got 1, which is a unit. Okay? It says write each number in standard form. So I'm going to underline standard form. Standard form is just the regular number. So we've got to know what we have and how much it's worth, or what is the value. So we've got 1,000. We have 1, 2, 300. So 1,300. Let's count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So this number is 1,345. Okay? Let's move to the next one. We have 1, 2 thousands. Let's count how many tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have 8 tens. Right now we're at 2,080. Let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't have any hundreds, so let's put it on the line in standard form. We had 2,000, put the comma. Now, I don't have any hundreds, so I put a 0 as a placeholder. I have 8 tens, and I have 7 ones. That number is 2,087. I'm going to move that 8 so you don't get confused. Okay? We're going down here to this next one with the place value blocks. We have 1,000. Let's count the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Right now it's 1,500. Let's count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1,560. Count the ones. 1, 2. So this number written in standard form is 1,500. Let's move that up. 62. Okay. Let's do letter D. Let's count our blocks. We always start in the highest place value. I didn't mention that earlier, but I'm going to start in the highest place value. I've got 1, 2, 3,000. Oh, I don't have any hundreds. I don't have any tens. I only have ones. So let's count how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So when I write this number out, it's going to have a 3 in my thousands place. I had no hundreds, no tens, and only ones. So that number is 3,008. Moving on to letter E. We have to put this in standard form. Right now it's in expanded form, so we're going to put it in standard form. We start in our highest place value. I'm going to draw a place value chart for this first one just so that you can see it and it will help if you need it. So when I draw my place value chart, I have ones all the way over here, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? I'm going to put it in my place value chart based on what place it's in. So in my thousands place, it says 6,000s. So I'm going to put a 6 in my thousands place. In my hundreds place, I've got 100. So I'm going to put the number 1 or the digit 1. In my tens place, it says 40, which is 4 tens. And in my ones place, I have 3. That number is 6,143. Okay. On letter F, I'm not going to do the place value chart. I'm just going to go ahead and solve it. We have 9,000, so in my thousands place, I'll put a 9. In my hundreds place, I have 900, so that digit will be a 9. Tens place, I have 90, so that will also be a 9. And in my ones place, I have a 9. That number is 9,999. Looking at letter G. There you go. We have 4 in the thousands place, 4,000. Hundreds place is next, but there's nothing, so I put a 0. Tens place is next, 60, 6 tens, so I'm going to put a 6, and a 1. That number is 4,061. Last one is letter H. Last one, yay, whoop whoop. We have 7,000, so in my thousands place, I'm going to start with a 7. Put my comma. The next place is my hundreds place. I have 800. I don't have anything else behind it, so I'm just going to put 0, 0. There's my tens, there's my ones. Nothing is in those. So this number is 7,800. And that completes week 1, Monday. It is finished. We did awesome. See y'all for Tuesday.